Lost or missing apps on your Samsung Galaxy S26? Don't worry, this quick guide shows you simple ways to find hidden apps and bring them back in just a few easy steps. Method 1. Check home screen settings. Most common. Go to your home screen. Long press on an empty space. Don't tap any app. Tap the settings based gear icon that appears. Scroll down and choose Hide Apps on Home and App Screens. Now you will see a section called Hidden Apps at the top. Check the list of apps that are currently hidden. To unhide an app, tap the minus icon on it. Finally, tap Done to save your changes. After this, the app will immediately return to your app drawer and home screen. Method 2. Use the main settings menu. Open the settings app on your phone. Scroll down and tap Apps. You will see a full list of all installed apps. Use the search bar if you can't find the app quickly. Tap on the app name you think is hidden. If the app is disabled, tap Enable first. Then tap Open to launch it instantly. This method works even if the app icon is not visible anywhere on the home screen. That's it. With these two methods, you can easily find and restore any hidden app on your Samsung Galaxy at the S26.